Hey guys, Chris here, David here, and Napo here with the Keyless Shop. Today we are talking about the SEC-e9 laser key machine and how we repair them here at the Keyless Shop. So we're here in Hagerstown, Maryland. As you can see, we kind of have a little bit of a workshop, a little bit of a mess here. But this is where we fix all the mini condors by X-Force and also the SEC-e9. And we actually had two customers this week that we repaired them. And as you can see, this is actually the machine that we just repaired. And this is the old circuit board that we replaced, and with the new circuit board that's already in and the new screen. But I'll go ahead and pass it over to Napo, and he can kind of explain the process of how we repair these machines.
Okay, so this one is the first generation motherboard. You can see how it has 6 different pieces, one control each motor, and each part of the screen, each part of the tool. So now this is a newer generation, which we're slowly switching to the one piece. This one has only 4 pieces, but it still has individual circuit boards for the motors, and then this is all the software for the.
So this is first generation, second generation.
Right.
But now what we're using is actually the third generation.
The third generation, which is the newest one. It has only one piece, only one circuit board, and a newer screen. So it's a lot smaller. The circuit board is smaller and easier to work with because almost everything is on the screen. It's an Android based, so it's a lot easier to work and faster, and everything is on the circuit board, on the screen. Sorry, because it's just like a tablet.
Right, so if your SEC-e9 is broken or if you're having problems with it, not only do we fix it, but it's almost like you're upgrading the machine, because when we received this machine, it looked completely different. The screen was different. So we not only did we replace the motherboard to the latest version, but you also get the latest version screen, because a lot of times that you have to replace the screen as well. And this is the Android-based screen. With like the latest version of cars, and it's just faster and better and just runs better.
Exactly, it's just like basically a new machine, because you have a new motherboard, which is only one piece, and the motherboard is actually not as sophisticated anymore because it's run by the tablet, which is the screen. So basically it's just the motherboard is just communicating the tablet with the motors.
Right. So there you go, guys. If you have a broken SEC-9 or mini condor by X-Force, send it over to us. We can fix it. We can save you money. That's the main thing here, is if you buy a new machine, these are going to cost you. The new one with the Android screen is about $2,400, $2,500 maybe with shipping. So send it to us. We can fix it. Usually going to cost you half that, if not under $1,000 to fix. Depending on what we have to do, could be even less. So give us a call, 800-985-9531, or visit our website, keylesshop.com, or for you locksmiths out there, keylesshop.net. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.